I'm going to show you guys a simple way to create your own website. This is going to be from a template I've created for you guys. This is my portfolio website. You can use it or just replace your name, all your info. This is just a beginner's guide to creating your own website so you can land your first job. So, yeah, let's get into it. And I'm going to teach you how to the website, tweak it to your needs. So first off, we are going to go into GitHub and we're going to download the code here. So you're going to go to GitHub/Tyler Bry with 2 Y's. And then this is my GitHub page. You're going to go down to my website portfolio, or in general, you can just type this URL in if you want. I will link it to this post in the description. So this is made with a content layer. Again, you don't need to know that, but this just makes it easier for you to edit. Yeah, so all you gotta do is download the code, download zip, extract it, and then open up a IDE of your choice. This is where I'm using VS Code. This is how you download VS Code. Just go to VS Code and then install it on the device you're on. So if you're on Mac, download for Mac. Install Node. So just go to this Node.js.download, and you want to install it on your respective to your device. All right. So once you're loaded in, you got everything downloaded. You got Node.js downloaded. You've downloaded it and then you put it into VS Code. We want to install the modules for the website. So all we got to do is go to the terminal at the top and click New Terminal. It'll be a terminal at the bottom. So you do PNP. It's PNPM. It's kind of confusing, but all you do is do install. And it's going to go ahead and install all the modules for the website. And then all you do is do now it's npm run dev. Now, so essentially what it's saying here is it's running a local server on your device. If you make changes to the code, replace anything, it's going to update in real time. So all you do is do command click, or on Windows control. So here is the local server website. It's basically my whole portfolio, just all of my projects. Yeah, if you want to check it out, it is here. This is the live domain for it. Before you download it, you can check it out if you want. But this goes with any website, not just my portfolio website. You can look up any Next.js templates if you want to do that, or if you even want to learn Next.js, build your website from scratch. Completely up to you, but a lot of people go to the HTML route, but this just has a lot more features added to it. So yeah, this is it. This is just what I have. Again, you have to put in your settings here. So this will email me, and this has all my GitHub and Twitter and email in there. So to change those, you go back to VS Code, and then you want to go to content, and then go to pages, and then just change everything that essentially has my name in it. And I mean, they're all labeled here. It's kind of, or you can go up to VS Code and type in Tyler, and then go to, this is the content layer. Again, don't change any of that. Anything that has, like, if it's in TypeScript or TSX, React, or anything like that, if it's not in the content layer, you can change, but that's more of a complex solution. You can go in and this is the about page. Let's go to the about page. All right, let's see. Oh, hi, I'm Tyler. Let me change that. I want to change I'm Tyler to, let's say my name's Ryan. Go back to VS Code, change it to Ryan, and then it's going to compile and then refresh. Now I found the problem here. I don't usually use VS Code. I'm using it for this this video because most people use VS Code. I use a fork of VS Code with more of artificial intelligence based. It's called Cursor. So I just didn't have my settings enabled here. So yeah, you gotta go up to File and then click Autosave. So autosaves, you don't have to go up and click Save every time. But yeah, that was I'm glad I encountered problems here so I can help you guys even more. So so I essentially changed the home instead of about. We'll go to home and then refresh. So it changed to Ryan. Let's do the about. Let's go to the about one. So about MD, we'll go to change it back to Ryan. So this is what I'm Ryan now. Okay. So you just go through the template here and just find what you want to replace and do that. This is kind of a high level explanation of how to create your own. Well, using a template. This is all my code. So if you want to learn more of Next.js and all of the capabilities using it, this is more of just using a template to create your own website quick. So put you in the scenario, you've created everything, you've replaced everything that you wanted. Your website is what you like, okay? You want to publish it. You want to host it somewhere. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So basically what you need to do is type this in. It's pnpmi-g versal. That's all. And then I'm already have the directory. I already have it set up. So it's just going to install Versal for you. And then you want to go and create a Versal account. I already have a Versal account. So you are going to create an account and then just be on the hobby version. That's what I'm on right now. I do have Teams. That's for a few clients. So once you do that, you'll create a project, but you're going to do that in the command line. I'm going to show you how. So you're just going to type in Versal and you want to set up and deploy. You want to click yes. Which scope do you want to deploy in? We want the hobby. So here is all the scopes. So I have my personal account, which is on the hobby version. It's the free version of Versal you get, but it has some limitations to it. And these two are paid, but those are clients of mine, so we're not going to touch that. So for now, we're just going to do Tyler Gibbs. So keep in mind, I have both of these here under this domain. And then we're going to go back and then just do Tyler Gibbs. We don't have an existing project, so we're going to click no. We're going to do we can give it a name, or it'll give us the default name of the directory folder, root folder. So all you got to do is click enter. It's in the root folder, so click enter. No, we do not want to modify any of these settings. Now it's building and going to create us a live link. We can preview the build. Again, this is not necessary at all, but just in case you have any errors, you can see the building process of it, installing all the modules and uploading to Versal. So once that's done, if you don't have any errors, it will greet that it's deployed. I'm going to cut this and I'm going to get back with you when it's done. Now it is done. This is kind of what you'll get. We go back and then we have it right here. You can change the settings and everything. So we want to deploy it to production. So we go to Versal-prod. So and then it'll deploy it to production. Anytime you do make a change, you want to insert this command. Now, if this module does not work, write npm instead of pnpm. So yeah, just a FYI on that one. I'm going to cut and get back to you guys when it is finished. Now it is finished. Took about maybe 3 minutes. Now let's go back and then refresh it. This is the final product. So it's going to give you a URL. That's what Versal does. They give you an URL. You can change this part, but if you want to go and buy a URL, there's many sites for that. You can go to, I think it's GoDaddy. Any of those will work. It doesn't really matter which ones. Just try to find a cheap one, really. So if you want to change, this is how you do it. You just go to your domains and then click add. You type your domain that you bought in and you click add and then click add it. And then you get run through the DNS configuration. It'll run you through step by step on how to do that. So we go to this URL that it's hosted right now. You can go through this. You can go to this URL anywhere. It's completely live. So yeah. You know, it probably won't be live when you guys view this video because I'm going to delete it. But yeah, that's how you publish a website. So yeah.